Venice, Italy, is one of the most enchanting and unique cities in the world. Built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon of the Adriatic Sea, Venice is a place where roads are replaced by canals and cars give way to boats and gondolas. Each bridge tells a story, especially the famous Rialto Bridge, which arches over the Grand Canal. From this vantage point, you can watch gondoliers glide gracefully, merchants unloading goods, and locals going about their daily lives, much as they have for centuries. The Grand Canal, the city's main waterway, winds its way through Venice like a sparkling ribbon. And of course, there is the Carnival of Venice, when the city fills with elaborate masks, costumes, and music, transforming Venice into a dazzling stage of color and imagination. This setting alone makes Venice unlike any other destination you will ever visit. The atmosphere feels like stepping into a living painting, where every corner reveals another postcard-worthy scene. Beyond its beauty, Venice also invites reflection. Because it is built on water, the city faces challenges from rising sea levels and flooding. Yet, Venetians remain resilient, preserving their traditions and protecting their home with pride and love. This spirit of resilience is part of what makes Venice not just a beautiful place, but a truly inspiring one. To walk through Venice is to journey through history, art, romance, and wonder all at once. One of the most iconic landmarks of Venice is St. Mark's Square, or Piazza San Marco, surrounded by magnificent architecture such as St. Mark's Basilica, the Campanile Bell Tower, and the Doge's Palace. This square has long been the cultural and political heart of Venice. Standing there, you feel the weight of centuries of history, from the days when Venice was a powerful maritime republic to its role as a hub of art, music, and commerce. But Venice is not just about grand architecture. It is about the quiet magic you feel as you wander through its narrow alleyways and across its charming bridges. Lined with historic palaces, many of which date back to the Renaissance, the canal is a showcase of Venetian wealth and artistry. Venice is also celebrated for its art and culture. During the Venice Biennale, artists from around the world gather to showcase cutting-edge works. The city's opera house, La Fenice, is world-renowned for its performances and history. At sunset, when the sky glows pink and orange, the reflections on the water create a breathtaking sight that feels almost unreal. Simply sipping coffee in a cafe along the canals, Venice leaves an impression that stays with you forever. It is no wonder that countless poets, artists, and travelers have called Venice one of the most beautiful places in the world. So, when you think of Venice, imagine more than a city on the water. Think of it as a dream, a place where time slows down, where beauty is everywhere you look, and where the past and present flow together as gracefully as the canals themselves.